Here's another recently extinct animal that you probably didn't know existed, the Catarina Pupfish. This is the Catarina Pupfish. It is a small type of fish that was only found in one stream in Nuevo Leon, Mexico. Not much is known about it. It was discovered in the 70s, and since then the population has decreased so rapidly that it eventually became extinct. The main reason cited for its extinction is both the introduction of invasive species that competed with and also predated the Catarina Pupfish, as well as use of the stream that they were found in. There was damming and water management and water usage out of that stream, which destroyed the habitat and made it inhospitable for these fish to live in. So it was noticed that the population of the Catarina pupfish was rapidly declining, so there were efforts made to save the population. There were quite a few specimens brought into captivity in order to try to do a captive breed and release program. However, these fish do very, very poorly in captivity, so there were not very many successful aquariums that supported these fish. There was also a breeding program that attempted to hybridize the Catarina pupfish with another closely related type of pupfish in order to make a more robust species that could be released and have some semblance to the Catarina pupfish. However, these hybrids were often not viable, and most of them did not survive longer than a couple weeks if they did survive hatching at all. Eventually, the captive breeding program was kind of given up on due to the fact that these fish do so poorly in captivity, and in 2014, the last captive Catarina pupfish unfortunately died in captivity. And unfortunately, before that, the last few of the wild population had died out a few years before then, so that last male fish that died in captivity was the last one of the Catarina pupfish.